Why does data security keep IT professionals awake at night? In an era where data is the most valuable asset, protecting it from threats is of paramount importance. Yet, among the various risks, a cunning enemy lurks: social engineering. This insidious strategy leverages human psychology, duping individuals into divulging confidential information or allowing unauthorized access. Social engineering attacks are far from haphazard. They're methodically crafted, following a distinct series of stages. The first step is research. The attacker collects information about the target, scrutinizing their digital footprint, work habits, and any potential weaknesses. Next, the attacker builds trust. They masquerade as a credible source, perhaps a co-worker, technical support, or even an authority figure. Once trust is established, exploitation begins. The attacker manipulates the victim through fear, urgency, or curiosity to obtain what they're after. With the victim's defenses down, the attacker executes their harmful intent. They might steal data, install harmful software, or compromise systems. Finally, the attacker tries to cover their tracks. They attempt to erase any trace of their digital activity, leaving the victim oblivious to the manipulation. Scene script: social engineers utilize a variety of deceptive strategies, including impersonation, where they pose as a trusted source, like a company representative or a familiar contact. Phishing emails, where they send emails disguised as legitimate requests, often containing harmful links or attachments. Vishing, where they make phone calls trying to trick victims into revealing sensitive information. Pretexting, where they concoct scenarios to gain the victim's sympathy or trust, claiming they urgently need help. The objectives of social engineering attacks can vary widely. They might want unauthorized access to restricted systems or accounts, commit fraud by stealing financial information or using stolen identities for personal gain, or cause disruption by interrupting operations, initiating data breaches, or installing harmful software. However, there are ways to combat this threat. Individuals and organizations can take steps to defend against social engineering. Education is key. Raise awareness about social engineering tactics and educate employees on the best practices for identifying and avoiding suspicious attempts. Enforce strict policies regarding data handling, email communication, and verification procedures. Employ technical safeguards such as firewalls, data encryption, and multi-factor authentication to add layers of security. Through understanding the deceptive nature of social engineering and implementing these protective measures, it's possible to shield ourselves and our organizations from falling prey to these malicious tactics. Remember, vigilance and a healthy dose of skepticism are vital in protecting our information and maintaining a secure digital environment.